How to set a reminder on iPhone with alarm. To get started, go ahead and open up Reminders on your iPhone. The Reminder app on your iPhone helps you to track events and notify you beforehand. Once you're in, you will see this interface where you can track your events. Then, tap on New Reminder at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, set a title for your reminder. Then, add a description. Now, tap on Details. Set the date of the event. After that, set an alarm for the event. Once you're done, tap on Add at the top right corner of your screen. The reminder has been set. Go to this section to view all your reminders. As you can see, the reminder has been set for the event. Your iPhone will remind you automatically beforehand. By following these simple steps, one can easily set a reminder on an iPhone with an alarm.